Hello students, welcome back. Let's continue with exercise 13b. Third problem. ABC is a triangle right angled at B. M is a point on BC. Prove that AM square plus BC squared is equal to AC squared plus BM squared. What is AC squared? In triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AB squared is equal to AC squared minus BC squared. AB squared is equal to AC square minus BC square. This is first. Now let us go to this triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, AM is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AM square is equal to AB square plus BM square. AB square plus BM square. So AB squared is equal to AM squared minus BM squared. AB squared is equal to AM squared minus BM squared. This is second. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore, AC squared minus BC squared is equal to AM squared minus BM squared. Let us bring minus BM square to the left, it becomes plus BM square. So AC square plus BM square is equal to AM square minus BC square becomes plus BC square. So AC square plus BM square is equal to AM square plus BC square. So AC square plus BM square is equal to AM square plus BC square. Proved. Fourth problem, M and N are the midpoints of sides QR and PQ respectively of a triangle PQR right angled at Q. You have to prove that PM square plus RN square is equal to 5MN square. Now M is the midpoint of QR. Therefore QM is equal to MR. Let them be X and X. Similarly, N is the midpoint of PQ. So Pn is equal to NQ, let them be Y and Y. Now what is PM square? In triangle PQM, PM is the hypotenuse. PM squared is equal to PQ squared plus QM squared. PM squared is equal to PQ square plus QM square. So PQ is equal to what? Y plus Y, 2Y. So 2Y square plus QM is equal to X square is equal to 4y square plus x square. Let us split this. 3y square plus x square plus y square. 3y square plus y square is equal to 4y square. I have split it into 3y squared and y squared. Now x square plus y squared is equal to what? X squared plus y squared is equal to mn square. In triangle NQM, mn is the hypotenuse. So NQ squared plus QM squared, that is y squared plus x squared is equal to mn squared. So x squared plus y squared is equal to what? Mn square. Now let us find what is Rn. Rn square. Rn square. Rn square. In triangle NQR, Rn is the hypotenuse. So Rn squared is equal to NQ square plus QR square. NQ is equal to y squared. QR is equal to 2x. So y square plus 4x square. Let us split it. Y square plus x square plus 3x square. This is equal to what? X square plus y square. X square plus y square is equal to mn square. Is equal to mn square plus 3x square. Now PM square plus Rn square. This is PM square, this is Rn square. Let us add them. Now PM square is equal to 3y square plus mn square and Rn square is equal to mn square plus 3x square. So if we add them, what do we get? Pm square plus Rn square is equal to mn square plus mn square, 2mn square plus 3y square plus 3x square plus 3x square, 2mn square plus 3 is common, 3 comes out, y square plus x square. So y square plus x square is equal to what? Again it is mn square. So 2mn square plus 3mn square is equal to 5mn square. Proved. Next we have to prove that 4pm squared is equal to 4pq squared plus qr squared. What is pm squared now? Pm square. Pm square is equal to pq squared plus qm squared, that is 2y square plus x square. This is equal to 4y square plus x square. So 4pm square is equal to 4 into 4y square plus x square, that is 16y square plus 4x square. This is 4m square. What is pq square? pq is equal to 2y. 4pq square is equal to what? pq square is equal to 2y square, 4 into 2y square. This is 4y squared, so 16y square. 4pq squared is equal to 16y squared. What is qr square? qr square is equal to 2x square. qr squared is equal to 2x square is equal to 4x square. Now 4pm squared. 4pm squared is equal to 16y squared plus 4x squared. 16y square plus 4x square. 4pq squared is equal to 16y squared. qr squared is equal to 4x squared. So LHS is equal to RHS. Next we have to prove that 4rn square is equal to pq square plus 4qr square. What is 4rn square? In this triangle, rn square is equal to nq square plus qr square. nq square is equal to y square, qr square is equal to 2x square is equal to y square plus 4x square. 4rn square is equal to 4 into all this, 4y square plus 16x square. So this is equal to 4y square plus 16x square. Let us find what is pq squared now. pq squared is equal to 2y square. 2y square is equal to what? 4y square. So pq squared is equal to 4y square plus 4qr square. qr square. 4qr square is equal to what? qr is equal to 2x 4 qr square. 2 to the 4, 4x square into 4. 2x square is equal to 4x square into 4 is equal to 16x square. So 4qr square is equal to 16x square. So LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Next we have to prove that 4 into pm square plus rn square is equal to 5pr square. What is pm square? pm square. pm square is equal to pq square plus qm square. So 2y square plus x square is equal to 4y square plus x square. rn square is equal to nq square plus qr square. Y square plus 2x square. Y square plus 2x square. This is equal to y square plus 4x square. pm square plus rn square is equal to what? When we add these two, we get 5y square plus 5x square. 4 into 5y square plus 5x square Let us take 5 common. 4 into 5 x square plus y square. Now this is what? PR squared is equal to what? PR square is equal to 2y square plus 2x square. This is equal to 4y square plus 4x square. So this is LHS. Let us rewrite it as 5 into 4x square plus 4y square. 4x square plus 4y square is equal to what? PR square. So 5 PR square. So LHS is equal to RHS. Proved.